Earthquakes happen when huge tectonic plates beneath the Earth suddenly shift and release powerful energy, creating shaking on the surface. They occur most frequently along earthquake-prone zones like the Ring of Fire, but in countries like Australia, the ground is more stable, so quakes are usually small and cause little damage. In contrast, on the 21st of November 2025, a strong earthquake of magnitude 5.7 struck central Bangladesh, killing at least 510 people and injuring hundreds, with buildings shaking in Dhaka and nearby areas. According to geologists, the quake was particularly alarming because the ground shook like never before. One expert warned that this could be a sign of a lock plate beginning to unlock, which could raise the risk of even bigger quakes in the future.